How to make 2x2 picture in Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop and resize a photo so that it is a 2x2, a 2" by 2" picture for free in Microsoft Word. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up Microsoft Word. Then in the top menu, select Insert. And what we need to do is first insert the picture that we want to make a 2x2 into Word. So find Pictures, select the little drop-down arrow, and then select this device. Find the picture that you want to use, select it, and then it will import it into Word. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And I'm just using a picture of my dog as an example for this. So now select the picture, go up to the top where it says Picture Format, and go to the right, select the drop-down arrow under Crop, and select Aspect Ratio, then 1:1. So now you can move the image if you need to, so that the subject and the face is in the center, and you can also zoom in by dragging this down to make it bigger, and then we can make sure that the face is in the center and takes up a pretty big portion of the picture right there. So once we're done cropping and resizing, we have the face where we want it, go ahead and back up to Picture Format, then go to the right and you'll see these numbers over here to the right of crop. Select both of them and select 2. So now when I select in the blank area of the page, only the photo is left and it's now a 2x2. So now I'm done if I want to use it in Word. But if I want to download this as a 2x2 picture that I can use or upload somewhere, right click it, select Save as Picture, then just save it. And there you go. I have my 2x2 image and I can upload it or use it however I want. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.